Hello, dear children. Now, this topic is based on the same, our main topic, pronouns, but it's our last topic of the lesson. It's distributive pronouns. Okay, so usually we begin our lecture along with a note. Okay, the note is mentioned here as you can see in the picture. What is mentioned? It is all about learning. Okay, now you need to learn something. The boy in the cap suggests you that you need to learn something. Okay, now as you can see, this is the task given here. What is that task? Notice the pronouns in color in these sentences. Notice the pronouns in color. So which color? As you can see, purple color. Each and everyone, either, each, neither, everyone, none, any, many, so many, so much. Okay, additionally I have written there, but there are several different types of distributive pronouns, and you should be able to just imagine which distributive pronoun is applicable on different sentences. Okay, so let's go for first two examples. Okay, each of them is to submit the project, means everyone is liable to submit the project. Each of them is to submit the project. Each one of us must finish the assignment. So this is how every and each of is used in the sentence. Okay, so let us see what is the use of distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are used for persons or things. Okay, persons or things. We also use for he, she, it, for they, we for persons and things. But then what is the difference between he, she, it, we, they, and each, every, either, and all? Okay, that you need to just see here. Okay, distributive pronouns are used for persons or things one at a time, since they refer to only one entity at a time. They are considered singular and take as take on a singular verb. Okay, so even if you feel that each talks about everyone, everyone talks about all. Okay, all, this word is plural, but everyone, when it is everyone, it will be considered as singular. Okay, it will be considered as singular. Okay, now just understand this thing with examples also. Two are here, two examples are already mentioned here, but there is a task also. Complete the paragraph using distributive pronoun. Okay, before we go with the examples, I want you to understand one very important thing. Okay, they are considered as singular, means even if they talk about everyone, means all, still they are considered as singular. That is the reason we take only singular verbs for such types of pronoun. See, what is the difference between this pronoun and the pronoun which are plurals? Okay, they is plural pronoun and we is also plural pronoun, but they will always they will be followed by were. Okay, are, are, were in past tense. Okay, so they are, they were. But if you talk about everyone, then you will not say everyone are, you will say everyone is. Okay, this is the rule in English. Okay, because it is considered as singular, all of them, even if it talks about all, it is considered as singular. Okay, so see this particular activity or the worksheet mentioned here. Complete the paragraph using distributive pronoun. What you're supposed to see here, you need to see, you need to just read the entire paragraph carefully and just think of these which of these distributive pronouns can be used in the gaps. These are the gaps mentioned here. There are more in the next page. Now you need, I have done two for you, rest will be done by you. Okay, let's read it. In the modern world, dash of us has to take care of her on his health. Dash of us is safe from the terrible ill effects of pollution. Okay, your first responsibility is to read the whole sentence first. Don't just judge the answer in the beginning only. पहले ही guess नहीं कर लेना है. Okay, guess करना नहीं है, but आपको उसके पहले पूरा sentence पहले पूरा पढ़ लेना है, and then decide कि which one is the appropriate among them. Okay, so which one is appropriate in the world, in the modern world? Each of us, has to take care of her of or his health. Okay, we should take care of our health. Okay, this is the message given here. Okay, now what is left here? None of us is safe from the terrible ill effects of pollution. So how did I guess it? I did not, I know this was blank. Okay, dash of us is safe from the terrible ill effects of pollution. So only none, मतलब कोई भी नहीं बच सकता from ill effects, means bad effects of pollution which is very bad thing in the world, right? So this is how you need to guess, and you need to fill all the gaps. Okay, there are four more gaps even in the next page, which you need to fill and complete by your own. Okay, so as I have told you, 3 very important points in this particular section is that in this section. Okay, what is that particular thing which is very important? Just if you need to remember that thing. The important thing is, see, I'm repeating this thing again. Considered singular means all, even if they look plural, all, they, we, ओके अस, ये सारे प्लूरल होते हैं ना, देवी, बट दे, इवन इफ दे लुक प्लूरल, दे आर नॉट प्लूरल. ओके, यू विल हैव टू कंसिडर them as singular. Each, either, neither, everyone, none, any, all of these should be considered as singular. Singular means only one. More than one, एक से ज़्यादा, कितने भी क्या होते हैं? Plural. So for plural we use they, we. Okay, they and we mostly. But even if they, I am again telling you, even if they look everyone, मतलब सब लोग, but still it will be considered as singular, because each one की बात हो रही है ना, everyone, single individually, they are counted individually. Okay, that is the reason it is considered as singular. Okay, so and it carries the singular verb also, means action word will be singular. Which are the singular action words among them are is. ओके, इज जो है सिंगुलर एक्शन वर्ड है. एंड फ्रॉम वॉज एंड वर, वॉज इज द सिंगुलर एक्शन वर्ड. ओके, यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस. ओके, सिंगुलर नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ यूज होता है इज एंड वॉज. ओके, सो इन सच टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन, is and was will be widely used. Okay, even you can observe that is widely used almost everywhere. Okay, every time, most of the time is used. Was and were are, sorry, are and were are not much used here. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. We have done with it, and you need to finish this particular paragraph, complete it, read it carefully, and do it. I'll share the answer keys later. Thank you.